Ever wanted your skin to smell like a sweet vanilla dream and glow like you've been kissed by sunshine? This right here is Vanilla Blossom Body Butter. And today, I'm taking you behind the scenes from the solid golden borders to the creamiest, silkiest skincare magic you've ever seen. Stick around because the final texture will literally melt your heart. Let's start with the base that makes every jar pure luxury. I'm using unrefined shea butter, the queen of deep moisture. It softens, heals, and seals in hydration like nothing else. Then I add unrefined cocoa butter, rich, warm, and naturally scented like chocolate. This is what gives your skin that velvety baby soft finish. I've got jojoba oil to balance, rosehip oil to brighten, castor oil to lock in hydration, vitamin E oil to protect, and aloe vera oil to soothe. Each drop is there for a reason to help your skin stay soft, glowing, and calm. It's time to mix the oil and water phase together. This part always feels like hearts. When oil and water meet, they swell into something totally new. That's the moment your butter is born. Now we blend slowly, gently, letting the magic happen. The texture starts changing before your eyes. From glossy liquid to thick, dreamy cream. Just look at this texture. Light, creamy, and pillowy soft. It melts instantly on touch. No stickiness, no heaviness, just pure moisture. I'm adding liquid Germall Plus, a gentle, natural preservative to keep your bottle safe and shelf stable. No worries, no mold, just goodness that lasts. This is my favorite part, watching the texture transform. Every whip adds air, every fold adds softness. You can almost feel it through the screen. When you glide it over your skin, it disappears like butter on warm toast. That's how you know it's deeply nourishing, not just sitting on the surface. And now, the best part, pure vanilla essential oil. The scent is warm, soft, and comforting, like a sweet hug from a long day. I call it vanilla blossom because it feels alive. A soft bloom of calm and luxury for your skin. I wish you could smell this right now. It's soft vanilla mixed with the natural scent of cocoa butter. Pure comfort. Just look at that fluffy, silky melt untouched. It leaves your skin smooth, glowing, and smelling like sweet vanilla sunshine. A simple ritual, a daily reminder that your skin deserves softness and care. I pour it gently into jars because every jar is a little piece of calm, a reminder to take care of yourself. When I make body butter, it's not just skincare, it's self care. It's that 5-minute ritual that turns your bathroom into a mini spa. So, whether it's after a shower, before bed, or first thing in the morning, this vanilla blossom body butter wraps you up in warmth and softness all day. Your skin deserves love, real, simple, nourishing love, straight from nature. And that's exactly what this Vanilla Blossom body butter gives. If you love natural recipes like this, and if you enjoyed watching this come to life, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs a self-care reminder, and subscribe for more recipes that make your skin and your soul feel amazing. And tell me in the comments, what scent should I make next? Coconut bliss, lavender dream, or maybe a tropical mango butter? I love your ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, glowing skin starts with a little bit of love and a lot of butter. Bye guys, appreciate you all. Mwah.